Most people think Zoom or Teams is the professional standard for video calls, but here's the reality. They're both legacy software systems built on outdated models that are slowing you and your team down. This is why I immediately steer my clients away from them. In this video, I'm going to show you why Google Meet isn't just an alternative. It is a superior browser-based video calling software that's easy to use, is full of the features you're used to, and even offers a whole suite of AI tools that actually do the work for you. Think about the last time you sent a Zoom or a Teams link to somebody. Maybe they're in a strict corporate business or on an old laptop, or maybe they just aren't that tech savvy. You send them the link, they click on your link, and then nothing. They have to download an update, change a setting, and get frustrated that they can't simply just join the video call. This is where Google Meet wins, hands down. Google Meet lives entirely in the browser. There's no software to install, there's no .exe file, there's no version 5.412 that doesn't talk to version 5. Whatever. You send a link, they click it, and whether they're on Chrome, Safari, or Edge, it doesn't matter. It just opens. They hit allow on their mic and camera, they're in. That's it. Google packed high definition video, noise cancellation, and screen sharing into a standard web page. But the best part, your guests don't even need a Google account. I hear this all the time, but James, my clients use Outlook. It doesn't matter. No matter what they use, they can join a Google Meet video call with no sign up. By removing the need to install video calling software, everyone can just get on with the meeting. It starts the meeting off on the right foot rather than a frantic apology because the software had to be updated again before even being able to join. But there's actually a darker side to video calling software that has to be installed on your computer that we need to talk about. Every piece of software you install on your hard drive is a potential door for a hacker. We call it an attack surface. When you have a dedicated application installed on your Windows or your Mac machine, that application has deep hooks into your operating system. If a vulnerability is found in that software, and they're found all the time in legacy video platforms, bad actors, or what you call hackers, can exploit that and get actual access to your computer. This is why with like Zooms, Teams, WebEx, you're bombarded with update notifications before you can even join a call. They aren't just adding new emojis, they're frantically patching security holes that were discovered like in the last week. Google Meet is different because it's not installed and it runs in the browser. It's always up to date and running the latest version without you needing to do a thing. Now, I know what you're thinking. Okay, it's secure and easy, but Zoom has all the cool features. Google Meet has all the features that Zoom has, but it also has more. If you're using Zoom or Teams right now and you want a transcript or a summary of your meeting, what do? You usually have to invite a bot into the meeting. You've seen them. Otter AI, Fireflies, Read AI. They join the meeting like a ghost participant. They sit in the grid, recording everything. Here's the problem with those AIs recording everything. When you sign up for a free or cheap versions of those tools, have you read the terms and conditions? Bet you haven't. Do you know where your voice data is going? Probably not. In many cases, to keep the service free, that data is used to train their models. Basically, your private business strategy meeting is now being potentially used to make their AI smarter. And let's be honest, it's also clunky. You have to remember to invite the bot. Sometimes the bot joins when you don't want it to, and you have to awkwardly kick it out. It feels like a Frankenstein solution, stitching different apps together to get one result. With Google Workspace, you have Gemini. Gemini isn't a bot that joins your call. It isn't some weird space in the video grid. It's built directly into the fabric of the platform. When you're in a Google Meet, you simply click the Gemini star in the top right hand corner. It can take notes for you in real time, but it's smarter than just a transcriber. It identifies action items, it captures decisions, and when the call is over, the data doesn't just disappear into some third-party server for processing. It stays right there in your protected Google Workspace account. It's not used for any training in any way. But here's the feature that actually blows people away. Let's say you're double booked, you're running 10 minutes late to a strategy call. Usually you would join and have to interrupt everyone and say something like, sorry, I'm late. Can you catch me up on what's been said so far? With Gemini in Meet, you don't have to do that. You join the call and you can privately ask Gemini, what have I missed? Gemini analyzes the transcript of what you've missed and gives you a private bulleted summary of exactly what was discussed before you arrived. You can then read it in a few seconds, unmute yourself and contribute immediately as if you were in the meeting from the start. And because it's Google, the integration is seamless. Those notes that Gemini took, one click and they're in a Google Doc attached to your calendar invite. You aren't copying and pasting between 5 different apps. It's one ecosystem just working together. Some of these features aren't even turned on by default, and this is where my company Kimbley IT can help. We make sure your team is taking advantage and knows how to use all these cool AI tools throughout Google Workspace. If you're interested, you can book a video call with me in the link in the description below. Now let's address the skeptics. I often hear, but Zoom has breakout rooms or Zoom has whiteboards. So does Meet. Google has been aggressive with matching features. You have breakout rooms for your workshops, you have polls for your webinars, you can have Q&A features, you have whiteboarding built in and more. If you're running a Zoom call with screen sharing, your video on and a whiteboard active, just have a listen to your laptop fans. It sounds like a jet engine taking off. That's because the software that's installed is heavy. It's eating up your RAM and your CPU. Google Meet handles this processing in the browser. It's significantly lighter on your computer. This means you can have your video call running, 5 other tabs open, and your CRM loaded, and your computer doesn't freeze. For those of you managing a team, think about the hardware savings. You don't need to have to buy the absolute most expensive MacBook Pro for every sales rep just so they can have a video call. You can run high quality Meet video call on a Chromebook for a fraction of the cost. So on one side, you have the legacy platforms. They require installation. They require constant manual updates. They are heavy on your system hardware. And if you want modern AI features, you have to patch in third-party bots that might be compromising your data's privacy. On the other side, though, you have Google Meet. It's frictionless. One click and you're in. It's secure and updated automatically. It's intelligent with Gemini built in to transcribe, summarize, and catch you up on your meetings privately. And it's integrated, connecting your video call to your calendar, your docs, and your tasks in one workflow. If you're a modern business, the choice is actually pretty obvious. I know which side I'd want to be on. Do you? In a world where speed is a competitive advantage, you can't afford to be the person fumbling with an update. Google Meet isn't just a video tool, it's a productivity multiplier. If you're still paying for Zoom, Otter AI, or the other video calling software, stop, especially if you're already using Google Workspace, because Google Meet is included. If you didn't know that Google Meet was already included in your Google Workspace, or you're interested in getting Google Meet, click on the link in the description below to book a video call with me at Kimbley IT. I can review your current setup and show you exactly how to configure Meet, Gemini, and your security settings to achieve that frictionless experience. So click that link and book that Google Meet video call with me today. I'll see you in the next video.